Hey everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to use live translation on iOS 26. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the settings of your iPhone. Once you open the settings, you should scroll down till you find here this option, accessibility. After clicking on accessibility, you will scroll down till you find here this option, live captions. Then now here you have these two options, live captions and transcribe calls. Number one, which is the live captions, lets you see captions in real time while using apps, videos, or during conversations. Below that, there is another option called transcribe calls. If you want your phone calls to be transcribed live, tap to enable this feature. Once it is on, iOS will listen during your calls and display live text of what's being said. You can also change the spoken language by clicking on the current language right here and choose what language that you will actually use during your phone calls. And that is it. With live captions and call transcription turned on, your iPhone will help you follow along with conversations and translations in real time. If this video helped you out, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and goodbye.